The infinitive clauses are pretty simple because they are pretty similar to English. The only trouble is that we have two kinds of infinitive clauses. And the second kind is not really called infinitive clauses. But this will be covered in one of the next videos. So for now, let's take a look at 3 examples, break it down to 3 crispy rules and we're done with it. And then you just need to exercise it a bit. Ich habe keine Zeit, Essen zu kochen. I don't have time to cook food. Like in English, to cook is zu plus infinitive. Du hast doch gar kein Geld, in Urlaub zu fahren, but you don't have any money to go on holiday. Again, to go, zu fahren. Das Mädchen findet es schwierig, früh aufzustehen. The girl finds it difficult to get up early. This is it. And you see, there's no difference to English for now. But there are 3 rules that I would like you to be aware of whenever this is the topic. The first rule is, in the infinitive clause, there is never a subject. Let's take a look. Essen zu kochen. You might be tempted to think that Essen is the subject, but it's not. The Essen is not doing the cooking, so it cannot be the subject. The subject is always the thing or person doing the action. So no subject here. This is the accusative actually. In Urlaub zu fahren, in Urlaub there's a preposition, and you might remember if there's a preposition that's no subject. Subject never uses a preposition. So nothing left to be a subject, no subject. Früh aufzustehen, pretty obvious. Früh is an adjective, aufstehen the verb, no subject whatsoever. If there's no subject, there cannot be a personal ending, because the personal ending relates to the subject. So that's why they're called infinitive clauses. They have to be in the infinitive, because there is no person or subject that they can relate to. Last rule, we don't use modal verbs with zu and infinitive. There's nothing like zu wollen, zu möchten, or zu können, zu müssen. In English that's possible. I don't want to dance. It doesn't work. Ich will nicht zu tanzen. This construction is forbidden, so don't use it. It doesn't go along well with modal verbs. This is it. Go to the exercise section and practice it a bit. We will take a look at zu soon, and then you will understand the trouble, because it's a bit tricky in the end.